In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a button on Google Sites. This seemingly simple task can greatly impact the look and feel of your website. So let's dive right in and give your site the refresh it deserves. First things first, you need to access your Google Sites dashboard. Opening your web browser, navigate to Google Sites by searching for it or typing in the direct URL. You'll be prompted to sign in if you haven't already. So go ahead, enter your email address, click next, then type in your password and sign in. This will land you on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, find the site you'd like to edit. Google Sites displays all your projects on the dashboard, making it easy to pick the one you're looking to update. Click on your desired site to open the editor view where all the magic happens. Now, locate the button you wish to change. It might be in the header, footer, or anywhere in between. With your site loaded in the editor, simply click on the button to select it. This action will bring up the button's options where you'll have several styles to choose from. Your next step is to choose between an outlined and filled style for your button. Outlined buttons have a transparent background with a border, while filled buttons have a solid background color. Depending on your site's design and your personal preference, make your choice. You can switch between these options to see in real time how they look, helping you make the best decision for your site's aesthetics. After selecting the style, it's time to pick the color. Look to the left side of the options panel where you'll find the color palette. This palette allows you to select from various predefined colors. Clicking on any color will instantly apply it to your button, so feel free to experiment here until you find the perfect hue. Do note the available color options might vary depending on the theme you've selected for your website. Google Sites. Themes are designed with a cohesive color scheme to ensure your site looks professional and polished. So, if you're not finding the exact color you had in mind, it might be due to the theme's color limitations, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed the color of a button on your Google Sites web page. This small change can significantly influence the look and feel of your site, making it more appealing to your visitors. Remember, the key to a great website is not just about how it looks, but also how user-friendly it is. So, while you're here, consider browsing around the editor to see what other tweaks and enhancements you can make to improve your site's overall functionality and design. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Have fun experimenting with different designs, and see you in the next video for more tips and tricks on enhancing your Google Sites experience.